Welcome to our comparison video, where we dive into two popular portable washing machines designed for compact living. Today we will look at the Anypro portable washing machine, known for its full automatic capabilities and larger capacity, and the portable washing machine, which is praised for its foldable design and affordability. Let's see how these two machines stack up against each other in terms of features, price, and usability for small spaces. When it comes to pricing, the Anypro portable washing machine is priced at $199, which reflects its larger capacity and additional features. On the other hand, the portable washing machine is significantly more affordable at just $79. This price difference makes the mini washer an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers or those looking for a compact solution without breaking the bank. In terms of capacity, the Anypro model offers a maximum load of 17.8 pounds, making it suitable for larger laundry loads, while the portable washing machine has a slightly smaller capacity of 15.8 pounds. This difference may influence your choice depending on your laundry needs, especially if you frequently wash larger items or have a bigger family. The Anypro portable washing machine boasts a full automatic design with 10 programs and 8 water levels, making it versatile for various laundry needs. In contrast, the portable washing machine features a foldable design, ideal for those with limited space. This compact feature makes it easy to store when not in use, catering to users in apartments or hotels who need a practical solution for laundry. In conclusion, both the Anypro portable washing machine and the portable washing machine offer unique benefits for users in small spaces. The Anypro model provides more features and a larger capacity, while the portable washing machine is budget-friendly and compact. Depending on your needs, one may suit you better than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.